Uncle Nestor, a birthday greetings for you. Here it is. Birthday are a measure of time and dreams, known only to our hearts. They remind us of the road we have traveled, the stars we have reached for, and the private longings that keep us reaching for more. On your 75th birthday, may you celebrate all that the Lord has led you to this place in time. And may you take a pause to look forward, believing all the goodness of the Lord that will surely be. Happy birthday, Uncle Nestor.
Uncle Nestor, happy birthday. And may you have so many, many birthdays to come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Nestor.